I have made these ads with 100% AI, no animation, no editing, just one single prompt. And it is much easier. Let me show you how to make it from scratch. So first of all, go in the chat GPT first and just paste a prompt, and I will suggest you that
राजा जी अपनी शक्तियों का पूरा इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो, लेकिन लौंडा यहाँ नहीं रुक।
go to the Median AI and you can find out here all the products, samples, photos. You can take an example from it. From here only I have taken some example. You can see the high quality images are there, prompts are there. Just click on here and you can get the prompt here. Okay. So from that I have placed here the one prompt. You can see from that prompt I got this output, but it's a Red Bull. So I converted it for personal brand. I have told him to add a lion logo here and name as Bhavik Builds here. Okay, and then I given the photo again and I turn into the one Google means one girl photo. So now the most of the work is done. If you generate this, or if you have a different your own product you have, so you can go with your product. Just I will take here one photo of both the products, and I will tell to ChatGPT. You can just see I will on the mic and what I will say. I want to generate a cinematic ad, and in that video, firstly the product of me, you will give the motion and shot as an intro of that product, and then this girl is drinking that juice and telling good thoughts about that product, and make this once I want you to make a JSON prompt for it. Okay, you can see I just spoken for few lines, and now here is the one word you can mention in every prompt, means for making ads. You can see here JSON. JSON is a one type of coding once a prompt which converts your prompt, means photos and images, as a point to point. You can see here I got the output as a coding type. What actually happens that ChatGPT understand your concept, and based on that he make the perfect cinematic line to line and angle and etc. Whatever needs to the shoot, he actually make like that only. Okay, now just copy the prompt and come to the Google Flow. Okay, and just paste here the prompt. And first, before pasting this, paste this both photos. Wait a second, I will download it here. Okay, now I will add the images at here. And you can see the both images has came from the screen here, background. It takes only 2 to 3 seconds. And you can see after getting the 100, that both photos will come automatically at here. If not came, you can add to the prompt by clicking at the 3 dots here. Wait a second. You can see, just click on here, add to prompt, and here also add to prompt. Then hit the, before doing this, adjust the settings, frames to video, and then integrates. What you are going to do here, if you select this, what actually will happen, you just can upload the photos and without frames. You want frame to frame video, so select the frames. And in ratio I want 16:9. Okay, I selected 2 videos because one video, if there is a 1 second mistakes, the second video will be better. Okay, and I want I guess 6 seconds video is better. And after just clicking this single prompt, you can check it out, your video will be there. Okay, and also I will suggest you that you can take the product sample. If you are making ad sample for your portfolio, so you can take from example from this, because you can see here are so many high quality prompts are there and images also, so you can use it. And you can see there is something problem here. Don't worry, prompt is a JSON prompt, so it will anyhow output will become. Don't worry about it. Okay, and the special thing about the JSON prompt is that prompt is giving the product perfect, that means giving the Google SEO perfect guidance in such a way that from this angle, how to shoot, etc. Okay, and you can see the output as here. I will play the video. And it's done. Let me show you the result.
So refreshing.
So in this way I have made the ads, and I hope it helps you. And if it helps you, then hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.